Hey, it's Locksmith here. All right, we're going to change the battery here on our remote 4-button. This task here, you can use a flat tip. I always have one readily available. If your key ring is attached, you can go ahead and leave it on. Use your fingernail, push down on the side to pull your emergency release out. And when you do, your blade will pop out. If you look on the sides, you'll see an indentation here and over here. I found that to be the best spot. Take the tip of your key and just go ahead and push in that little indentation right there, or you can use the flat tip if you don't feel comfortable. And when you slide it in, you'll notice it pops up. Put your finger on the side to hold the gap. Come to the other side and you'll notice it pops up. Go ahead and lift your battery cover off. Now when you're looking at your battery, you'll see that you have more plastic here than compared to here. Go ahead and take your finger and pull the battery down towards the bigger piece. Then once you do that, put your flat tip in and just lift up slowly. You don't need to put much pressure on it because you don't want to risk busting the remote. So we'll do that. We got the battery up. It's a CR2450. So we're going to reuse the same battery. Be careful when you put it back in. You'll want to put the battery in first towards this end down here, because you do have this metal tab here and here which put the pressure on your battery. So we'll go ahead and set the battery as such, push it in, push down, and then once it drops in, push up this way. That way it locks in. Now take your two halves, put them together, and when you do, go ahead and squeeze it together and you'll hear it snap. Go ahead and put your emergency blade back in. And there you go. You just changed your battery on your remote. Hey, thanks for watching SgtLocksmith. If you found this video useful, go ahead and hit like, leave a comment. That way we know people are actually watching and finding useful information. Thanks again for watching SgtLocksmith. Just be safe out there.